Conversation with JavaScript developer.
It must be freezing outside, isn't it?
Yes, it is really cold out there. Don't even think about going out.
Come, sit down. Have some coffee.
Thank you. I desperately needed a hot beverage.
So, what's going on?
Yesterday after school, I went home and tried to code JavaScript, but I didn't know where to write it or how to write a code. So, will you please tell me? I will treat you with some pastries.
Thank you. There are two main types of code editor: integrated development environment IDEs, lightweight editor like Notepad. You can also use console present in browser or online website like JSBean for writing JavaScript code. An IDE loads the project, which can be many files, allows navigation between files, provides auto completion based on the whole project, not just the open file, and integrates with a version management system like a Git, a testing environment, and other project level stuff also. I like to use Visual Studio Code. I think it is the best integrated development environment for JS development. This is an open source editor which is available for Linux, Windows, and Mac operating system. Let me show you how to work in VS Code. First of all, let us install the VS Code. First, open your browser, then type VS Code in the search box. The first result is the VS Code. Then just click on download. It will take you to this page which show VS Code for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Now just install according to your system configuration and follow the simple step. Now let's look at VS Code after it is downloaded. On the first screen you can see three options. First is new file by which you can make a new file. Second is open file with which you can open an existing file. And third is open folder from which you can open the entire folder where all of your files are stored. So now I have opened a folder. Now we can make a new file by clicking this icon also. So let us first make a new file with a name index.html. Now to write the predefined HTML format, just type exclamation mark and hit tab. Now as you can see, whole format is printed. Let us write hello world inside the H1 tag. I have installed live server preview extension. You can install it from here. By it use my code gets run in real time in the browser. JavaScript can be written in two ways. First one is to write it internally, and in second one we make a new file with .js extension and link it to the HTML file. Now first let me show how write JavaScript code internally. For that, write script and press tab, and inside it write some JavaScript code here. As you can see, there is an alert. Now let's check how to write external JavaScript. For that, first we will create a new file with .js extension. In this case, we are writing main.js. Now put the JavaScript code in the main.js file. As you can see, there is alert. Lightweight editors are not as powerful as IDEs, but they are quick and simple. They can be used to open and edit a file instantly. The main difference between a lightweight editor and IDE is that an IDE works on a big level where there are many huge files. So it loads large data and analyzes the project structure if it is needed and so on. A lightweight editor is much faster if we need only one file. Example of lightweight editors are Atom, Sublime Text, Notepad++, Vim, and Emacs are also cool if you know how to use them. We can also use Notepad as a editor in JavaScript. Let me paste some JavaScript code with HTML here. Now I save this file. As you can see, there is alert. We can also write JavaScript code on browser console by pressing Ctrl Shift I. To open console in browser, we can either use Ctrl Shift I or we can right click and select inspect option. If we write anything in console like alert hello learner, it will work. We can also use JSBin web app to run JS code. We, in JavaScript tab, we write alert hello learner. To see error and get a lot of other useful information about script, developer tools have been embedded in browsers. Chrome or Firefox browser have the best developer tools. So most developers have a favorite browser and switch to other if a problem is a browser specific.
Okay, got it. I will go and code a little bit. If I get stuck, you will get some more pastries.
I will pray to God you get stuck in your code daily. Okay, you take rest. Catch you later.
Okay, thank you for today. Thanks for watching.
Bye.